song evokes the sense of keep calm and carry on in those frightening times. A Nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. So fresh from Broadway, please welcome a man who's a hit on both sides of the Atlantic, superstar tenor Alfie Boe.
That certain night, the night we met, there was magic abroad in the air. There were angels dining at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I may be right, I may be wrong, but I'm perfectly willing to swear that when you turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. The moon that lingered over London town, oh puzzled moon, he wore a frown. How could he know we two were so in love? The whole darn world seemed upside down. The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And as we kissed and said goodnight, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. That night in